So today we're going to look at fractions. A fraction is a group of objects into equal groups, and then you're looking at a portion of that whole. For example, if you have a plate of cookies, you group them equally, and then you give a portion of those cookies away. The main thing to grasp is that the groups are equal. Oftentimes, students will be unaware that the groups must be equal, and this can be a common misconception. This problem will probably be equivalent to about a third grade level. So let's look at it. There are 12 pencils. Sarah groups them into 4 equal groups by color. 3 of the groups of the pencils are sharpened. How many are sharpened? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the area model. So what we want to do first is we want to find 12 pencils because that's our whole. So here on our grid paper we're going to find 12. We found a shape that has 12 inside of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see that there are 12 units inside of the box. This will be good when we're grouping. Here you will see that we need 4 equal groups. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 1 group here, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. So each column is going to represent a group for us. And so in each column there are 1, 2, 3. Each group will have 3 pencils. One group, 2 group, 3 group. I circled 3 groups because we are looking for 3 of the groups of pencils are sharpened. So 3 of the groups of pencils are sharpened. So I circled 3 out of the 4. The whole of the fraction is 4 groups of pencils, or 12 pencils. The portion that we're looking for is 3 out of the 4 groups. Let's find how many pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of the pencils are sharpened. Another way we can solve this is with the set model. The set model, we're going to take counters, and I'm going to count out 12 pencils. My counters, each one represents a pencil. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put them into 4 equal groups. Another approach to do this is to count them out. For example, being like 1 for this group, 1 for this group, 1 for this group, 1 for this group, and doing so until you have the 12 divided into 4 equal groups. So you'll see here we have 1 group, 1 group, 1 group, 1 group, and they are all equal. That is very key. So we want to look at just 3 out of the 4 groups. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip over the ones we want to look at so we can look at it indicating by color. I'm sorry for the interruption. So we still have our equal groups. And I'm going to move them to the red background so you can see them. There's one group out of the 3 equal groups we're looking at. 2 out of the 3 equal groups we're looking for. And 3. These will remain blue because we are not looking at the 4th group, only at the 3. So here we can see that we are only looking at a portion of the whole. We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of the 12. So these 3 are unsharpened. These 9 are sharpened pencils.